Most reviews only rap about how amazing the iPhone 16 is, but no one talks about the hidden truth. Today, I'm going to review the full story, what works and what doesn't. Let's dive in. Now, here is the first thing you notice. The iPhone 16 feels premium in your hand. The back and front are made of corning glass, protected by a ceramic shield, and surrounded by an aluminum frame. It's sleek, durable, and surprisingly light at 170 grams. But is that enough? Keep watching to find out. Let's talk about colors. Apple introduced a range that feels fresh. Black, white, pink, teal, and ultramarine. Whether you are into bold shades or something classic, there's an option for you. But before we move on, let me ask, are you enjoying this breakdown? If you are, hit that subscribe button now so that you won't miss more honest review. The iPhone 16 comes with a 6.1-inch screen display, offering a vibrant color and sharp images. Apple's reputation for crisp visuals speaks for itself. It's great for streaming, gaming, or just scrolling through your socials. The iPhone 16 camera is one of the biggest selling points. The 48 megapixel rear camera takes very decent photos, and the 12 megapixel front camera is perfect for selfie. Plus, the 4K video recording capabilities are unmatched, offering smooth footage in multiple frame rates. However, is it the best camera phone out there? Let's say the truth. There is a lot of competition out there. Apple claims that you will get a 50% charge in just 30 minutes with both wired and wireless charging options. With a 3561 mAh battery, it is reliable for daily use. But is this the battery life upgrade we all have been waiting for? You will have to judge for yourself. If you are finding this review helpful, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth analysis and real-world insights. It really helps this channel grow. This phone is packed with essential 5G network, Face ID, Bluetooth, and NFC. Plus, its iOS 18 operating system is upgradable, meaning you will always be up to date. And yes, it's IP68 rated for water resistant. The iPhone 16 offers up to 512GB of storage paired with 8GB of RAM, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and storing your favorite apps, photos, and videos. So is the iPhone 16 worth it? Well, it depends on what matters most to you. Its design, features, and performance are undeniably impressive. But are you missing something others won't tell you? Stay tuned, because in my next video, I will cover all the critical specs in detail and what they mean for you. Don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss out.